Oh gosh, it's gonna hurt. Hold on. I've done this before. I don't do it often. What is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. Also, on my channel, we talk about self-improvement, whether it's beauty, weight loss, loving yourself, you know? But today I'm gonna be teaching you 2 different ways on how to do your eyebrows because quarantine is rough. And you're probably like, Chidi, okay, your eyebrows don't look too bad. From far away, they don't look bad. However, when you come close, they're not cute. So, we have this side, and we have this side. They're not too pretty. So, we are focusing using nair and tweezing. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, now the most important step is to say good morning to your eyebrows. What does that mean? It means massage your eyebrows so that, 1, your eyebrows aren't in shock when you start plucking, so it's not gonna hurt as much. They're awake. Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Right? Okay. Secondly, try to find something that is lighter than your skin tone. You can use concealer and outline your eyebrows, or you can go ahead and just use a brow pencil that is much lighter than your hairs, so you can tell the difference. Starting underneath and try to get as close to the natural brow shape as I can. Okay, we have that one. And for now, we're just gonna stick to this side. This side, we're going to go ahead and do the nair on it. Next, I'm gonna take my tweezers and start plucking. However, something that is very important, because this area is so sensitive, because the skin is a lot thinner, you're going to want to try to hold this area with your hand that you're not using, and then pluck with this hand. Okay, next I'm gonna take my brow. What is this called? Next I'm gonna take my spoolie, and I'm going to comb my hairs down over the line that I created. And we're gonna grab a small scissors. These ones I found in a nail kit. They might be for nails, but that's okay. And then you're just gonna cut whatever goes over that line. And then we're gonna go ahead and comb upwards and cut whatever goes over that line. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take makeup wipe and wipe away the concealer. So there are 2 things that you can do here. You can either go back and shave this hair that's on the top part and the bottom part if you didn't want to tweeze that, or you can wax it. I got these Sally Hansen strips from Rite Aid. So there's 2 in 1 sheet. So I tear it in half, and then I take my scissors and I cut it into a strip. And then you're supposed to warm it between your hands by going like this, like you're cold on a chilly winter night. And then you're going to want to peel it and apply it. Here's the part. Here's the part I'm terrified about, okay? I'm not doing it too close for a reason, just so I don't grow off excess hair. Wait. I'm scared. I'm scared. It's gonna hurt. Oh gosh. Hold on. Oh gosh, it's gonna hurt. Hold on. I've done this before. I don't do it often. It's okay. It cleaned it up. It cleaned it up a little bit. I see the hairs. You won't be able to tell if I show you because of my lighting situation. But there are hairs on here. It didn't hurt too bad. But because I don't want to get too close, I'm gonna go back with the shaver. And then you're just gonna come down with it. And then we're gonna go upwards with it, so we make sure that we're getting as much as we can possible. So once we do the top part, you're gonna wanna go and drop down to the bottom part again to clear out whatever your tweezers couldn't get. Okay, so I went ahead and finished cleaning up this part, and I shaved a little bit down here. So I just went upwards with the razor, just a little bit, to even out this line right here. But there is still a little bit of hair in this area, and it's not looking too cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and shave that too. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this edge, match it up with this part of my nose, go up to see, yeah, where it needs to stop. And so once I have my indentation, I'm gonna go ahead and take a pencil to go ahead and mark it. And you're gonna wanna shave whatever is in front of that line. It's just you and me, we're just strangers and lovers. Oh my gosh, look how much progress we've made so far. But bam, but bam, but bam, but bam. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is the nair brow. So with this eyebrow, I have so much hair down here, I can't really differentiate which one is which around this line. That means I can't get it exact with nair. So with nair, what we're gonna do is do the main parts down here and up here, but we're not gonna get too close to this hairline. I'm gonna get some trusty nair and a Q-tip and carefully apply it to the perimeter of my eyebrow. Now, one thing you're gonna need is a timer. I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer for 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna wipe this off with warm water and wash it really well. Okay, my timer has been set for 3 minutes. It's going down, okay? I will see you soon. Okay, now literally the only thing I have done is taken a paper towel and wiped off the area. I still have the towel actually. You can see like the hair is still on the paper towel from where I just wiped it off with water. And then after that, I went ahead and washed my eyebrow with soap just to get rid of the chemicals. For some reason, this side hurts more. I think I'm gonna cry. Beauty is pain. Oh gosh. I'm gonna stop right here just because I don't want to go overboard in any way, because once you do something wrong, your eyebrows are finished. So yeah, I'm gonna stop here. I think it looks okay. Patches I can't fill in because it just hair does not grow there. And then yeah, but to be honest, between the two, I think although this way is faster because you just apply the nair and zoom zoom zoom, this side is cleaner. And I honestly think that that's because with tweezing you're pulling out the root of the hair, while with depilatories you're burning off the hair that is coming out from your skin, not what's in there. If you zoom in, you can still see like dark dots, but that's only if someone's like really close to your face. But overall, I prefer this side. But go ahead and let me know in the comments which side you like better and which side you would do. Alrighty, I hope this tutorial was able to help you. If it did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Alrighty, I'll see you next time.